Welcome to New York.
Be in either of the two left lanes.
Welcome to
Then
New
take
Jersey.
the exit to I-95 toll.
Welcome to Delaware. Just got out of Wawa's in Delaware. Welcome to Maryland. We're in the Baltimore Harbor Tunnel. This is the Baltimore Harbor Tunnel. Welcome to DC. Welcome to Virginia. Just got out of Wawa's in Virginia. Got a chicken and cheese quesadilla from Wawa's. We're going to the Marriott. We're in Virginia. Fairfield Marriott.
Third floor?
Yeah, man, that's all.
Oh, thank God. Yes, we don't have to get nobody on top of us.
321.
Oh, shit, it's Middle's birthday.
321. Then we're going right now to the room. Open your bottle so you can film it.
I am.
321?
Yeah.
I'm free.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.